Hey there folks, today we're going to be testing this cable right here that just came in from Amazon. It's a Baseus USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, but what's cool about it is the fact that it has a little LCD display. Not sure if I can get that in focus there, but has a little LCD display to show you at what rate it's charging at. However, it does claim to be able to do 100-watt charging, and so I'm gonna test the resistance and see if indeed it can safely charge up to 100 watts. So let's jump into it. First, we're gonna set up our little test rig here. Test rig is ready. Now we're gonna unbox the cable. All right, let's take a look at what we get in the package. Safety information. Get a warranty card and some stickers. All right, let's take a look at the cable. It features a nylon braid to be able to keep this this cable from getting damaged. And then here's the end with the LCD display. Looks like it has a little protective cover here. So there we go there. And then here's the other end. On the other end, it has the Baseus logo there. Also has a little protective film on it. Now, in terms of flexibility, let's see. It's fairly flexible. The thickness of it is a good indication that this cable does have premium wires inside, so the resistance test shouldn't be a problem. So let's go ahead and get this wired up and see how it performs. All right, we're going to run our script. And our first test shows that it passes. So let me get this closer on the screen so you can see that. So you can see here, the resistance is actually fairly low. So it can definitely charge up to 100 watts with no issue there. So now what I like to do is test at least 4 times to ensure that the results are accurate. And once again, it passes. So that's twice. Passes a 3rd time. And the 4th time. So we can safely say that this cable is safe up to 100 watts. Part of the requirements to be able to charge up to 100 watts is that it should have an e-marker chip. So let's go ahead and see what it shows. And there we have it there. Shows that it's capable of 20 volts, 5 amps, which is 100 watts. USB 2.0 data, so it's not high-speed data, so this cable is really meant more for charging devices. Now let's take a look at what the LED looks like once it's passing power. Okay, so what I'm seeing here is that it is accurate, so it's bouncing between 28 and 29 watts, which It's staying steady here at 29 watts, so it's giving you the average there. And our tester shows that the protocol that is being used to charge is Power Delivery 3.0, and that is what the little yellow icon indicates here. Shows you that it's charging with Power Delivery. So there you have it, folks. That is the first look at this Baseus 100 watt. It's called the Baseus Display to 100 watt 1 meter charging cable. I'm going to go ahead and test the data on this, but I don't anticipate any issues with that, being that it's a low speed data transfer. But as a charging cable, which is how it's being marketed, this is a definite thumbs up for me. It passes our resistance test, and you can safely use this to charge your devices up to 100 watts. If you're new here, my name is Adrian with Project Ramos. Links to all of my social channels as well as website and smartphone app are in the description. And this has been an update from my workbench.